SIS that was not meeting the needs of our constituency. Students dictate what we do here. We need to really be able to deliver an appropriate experience in the correct environment. Thankfully, Luminis provides that sort of platform to be able to do that. And so we went ahead with Luminis 5 and started with that because we figured this was the future, we might as well get on board. What we realized was we already had content places. We needed to internalize it and have sort of an intranet that really drove people to where they could get that information and really support that. The ability to write custom portlets that can be targeted to constituencies. The ability to use the content management pieces that are there if we needed to, the announcements to deliver content to people at a timely fashion. And the integration with JC CAS single sign-on was a really big thing because we can now direct people through one gateway and into the multiple areas that they need to be in. The integration with Banner was actually the key selling point, really. It's tightly coupled. It works out of the box once you configured it. Having all of that in a framework that's easily accessible, that's built on standard technologies like Tomcat, like Java, I would be a little scared of having to write this from the ground up. That's a several-year commitment. We just don't have time for that, so it's very agile. The support group for Luminis is fantastic. My questions get answered. They've reached out to us and asked us specifically about where we want the platform to go, what we expect it to do. It's been really good to see that sort of two-way discussion happen where we get to drive the future of the product and not necessarily just sit on the sidelines and wait. And there's a really lively community out there. We have discussions, we talk about things, and I think as schools, as developers, as institutions, we help each other out, and I think we need to do more of that.